Constitution, right? Can I make a constitutional finding in terms of Section 172? Because the Constitutional Court said that the tribunal conducts reviews in terms of the Act and not in terms of the Constitution, because we don't have constitutional jurisdiction.
Well, we submit you. Of course, Your Ladyship can. We didn't understand Ledla to say that as a tribunal, Your Ladyship can't make findings. In fact, the whole point of Ledla is that because the tribunal is not a court, it can't conduct reviews under PAJA, but it can conduct legality reviews.
We never conduct reviews under PAJA in terms of Gijima. We never do.
Well, to the extent that parties that previously, or maybe even the SIU,
the SIU is largely the only applicant.
Yeah, so not that I had been involved in a case on behalf of the SIU where we went under PAJA, but certainly this is a legality review. And we submit that if it's a legality review, then the tribunal must.
Okay, I'm going to ask you to apply your mind to this, and this I address to all the parties, because this may well be the first case post-Ledla where the tribunal has to interpret what the Constitutional Court said in Ledla.
Yes,
because my understanding seems to be very different, right? What was impugned in Ledla, whether we have constitutional jurisdiction, whether we can exercise powers in terms of 172, Section 172. And the Apex Court said, no, they're not a court, but they conduct legality reviews in terms of the SIU Act, and in terms of that Act, they've got innovative powers, unlimited innovative powers in terms of Section 8.2 of the Act.
And my lady, we submit it goes without saying that if the Act itself has not been impugned, so it conforms to the.
No, the Act was not impugned. It was our powers. The question was whether we have constitutional jurisdiction, whether we can do legality reviews in terms of the Constitution. And that court said no, said we derive our powers solely from the SIU Act.
Well, then
I'm not sure if I can apply Section 172, but what I know is that I can apply Section 8.2 of the Act.
Yes, my lady.
Yeah, so I need you to apply your mind to that question and then file supplementary heads, because this is an important question for the work of the tribunal going forward, to provide clarity on how the tribunal interprets the